Hello and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. When my husband was a boy, every year around Christmas time, his mother would make this particular thumbprint cookie, the recipe of which she got from her aunt. And when he and I got married, his mother gave it to me. So one time I met the aunt and I said to her, "Oh, I just want to tell you, your thumbprint cookie recipe is amazing." And she said,
"Don't bake those cookies. That is a secret recipe, and those are my cookies."
Now, these are my husband's favorite cookie. So what is a good wife and a good baker to do? I did the only thing I could do. I ever so slightly changed the recipe, changed the name on it, and boom, they're my cookies now. Here's how to make them. We're ready to start baking. My oven is preheating at 350, and this is a very soft dough, so you have to make sure that you let it chill enough so that you can handle it. This is the easy part. We're just going to make about a walnut-sized ball, like so, and then you press it to flatten it a bit, and then you make the thumbprint. What I usually do is I make the balls, I put them down on the baking sheet, then I flatten them out, then I make the thumbprint, and then I add the jelly. These are going to puff up and spread out, so you want the balls to be about 2 inches apart. All right, it's time to pop these in the oven. Bake them 12 to 15 minutes. When the edges start to get brown, that means they're done. Here they are, fresh out of the oven. This is a very soft cookie, so don't try to remove them right away or they'll break. Let them cool for 3 to 4 minutes, then move them to the wire rack and let them cool completely. You want to make sure these are not too hot before you bite in, because that jelly is like lava hot when it comes out of the oven. But these cookies, they're light, they're a little crispy, but they're also chewy. I can understand why these are my husband's favorite. But remember, it's a secret recipe, so don't go blabbing. Please become a subscriber. Leave a comment for me. I would love to hear from you. And come back and see me anytime here at home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.